Lag when playing Roblox? Game freezes, character moves late. Don't worry. Today I will show you some powerful fixes, which if used will make your Roblox gameplay super smooth. The main reason for Roblox lag is usually three: slow internet, wrong settings, and background apps. Now let's fix them one by one. Internet optimization. First of all, check your internet. If you use Wi-Fi, sit near the router. If you use mobile data, check if 4G or 5G is stable. A simple trick: turn airplane mode on and off after 10 seconds. This refreshes the network and many times the ping decreases instantly. Roblox settings. Now adjust the settings inside the game. Open Roblox, go to settings. If graphics mode is auto, change it to manual. Then lower the graphics bar to the lowest setting. Adjust the camera sensitivity a little. Trust me, this setting alone will reduce your lag a lot. Background apps close. A big mistake. Many people play games with many apps open in the background. Close all recent apps. Keep RAM free. The more RAM is free, the smoother the gameplay will be. Server change. Roblox lag is often caused by the server. Exit the game and rejoin. Try a low player server. Less players mean less load and less lag. Device performance boost. If your phone is hot, it will lag. Keep your phone cool before playing the game. Turn on gaming mode if it is on. Turn off battery saver because it reduces performance. Bonus secret fix. Now here's a secret trick. Changing DNS often reduces ping, and using the Gaming Booster app automatically stops the background process. This is what pro players use. Applying all these settings will make your Roblox gameplay much smoother. If the video is helpful, like it and subscribe because I regularly bring such powerful gaming fixes.